Frog. Blackbird.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our previous video of computer TUX Paint, we have learned about how to download the TUX Paint in your laptop, PC or mobile. I hope you have already downloaded the software and enjoying it pretty well. If not downloaded, then you can check the video again. I have given the link in the description box, so you can download that and you can enjoy. So today, like in my video, I'm going to tell you about one interesting tool in TUX Paint, that is stamp tool. So as you can see here we have some free stamps of dolphin, like the mascot of TUX Paint have been given like this. So you can use these free stamps as well, but for making your drawing more interesting and more creative, so there are many stamps available in TUX Paint. These are free, totally free of cost, but you need to just download them by following some process. There are stamps like birds. You can have different variety of birds. You can have different types of means of transport. You can have different types of animals. You can have different types of things like many things, flags, household things, birds, insects and all, everything. So additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website, that is www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. So I'm gonna tell you how to download these stamps in to make the creative beautiful drawings and how to save or print them. So let's get started. So as soon you will click on this website link also I will give in the description box. You can directly click, and so you have to open your Google Chrome browser and you have to type here www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. This I am telling you how to download these stamps. Sorry, some spelling is wrong. How to download these stamps in the Windows in your laptop or PC, right? So like this you will get the interface, and here you need to click, like this is the link here, rubber stamps, and this is optional that you want to download or not, so this is your choice. So as we have already downloaded the TUX Paint from here, so we have to now download the rubber stamps. So as I'll click here, so you can see the downloading will start shortly. It is showing this message. So here you can see TUX Paint stamps.2.exe is the extension given. So you need to just click on this arrow and you can do open when done. Right now you will see opening in 45, 43, for 1 hour. Like it depends on the internet connection as well, how much time it is going to take. So once it gets downloaded, and you will have to install it like how we have installed the TUX Paint in our computer. So once it gets downloaded, you will get the screen like this in your laptop, and here there are many stamps available now, right? You can go and click. You can click on the right arrows and you can explore more and more stamps here. Now with this symbol you can increase and decrease the size of the selected stamps. As you can see, as you will increase and decrease, so it will increase or decrease the size of the stamp also. Now let us learn how to draw a scene of farmhouse by using these amazing stamps. So for this, first of all I am choosing the background from this fill. This is a green color background. Then I am taking the paint brush and this bold brushes to make the greenery, and then I'll use the different color like beach color for making some sand. Then I will go to the magic tool and bring some rails here. This is the fencing kind of thing I have made with my imagination. Then now I'll check for the farmhouse stamp. The farmhouse, there is some special kind of buildings like house there, farmhouse, wooden one. So I'm choosing for that. Yes, here I got it, and I can choose the size also. So this I have drawn here. Now I'm going to select some hen, because we know this is a hen farm, so we are selecting the hen. By clicking on the arrows you can find out the hen also in a different category. Yes, here we have found this. So accordingly I
hen,
want a bigger one hen, little small hen. So I have decreased the size, and then I have just simply click on that, and where I want I have just touched the canvas, and then here I got it. Now one more small hen I have drawn here by decreasing the size. Then one more bigger hen I want, so I'm selecting. So
hen,
I'm increasing the size of the hen, and I'll again click on the canvas, and I'll got the hen. Now I want to change the face of the hen. Like if I want that it should look at left hand side instead of right hand side, so I can use this mirror icon also with the blue one. So I hope children you have enjoyed it. So for saving it, you know very well, you have to just click on save and it will be saved automatically, right? So this is a farmhouse. I believe you people will also draw. You can also try the same painting and many more. So explore these amazing stamps and enjoy. Bye bye. See you soon. Oh.